it's your girl Nicolle with 2 L's and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video will be a very interesting video because we will be attempting to make or bake DIY dog treats. So yeah, we're making dog treats because tomorrow is going to be our dog's birthday. It's his first birthday. His name is Kobe and he's half lab and half husky, but he doesn't look like any of those breeds. But anyways, yung gagawin namin for today is dog cake and dog biscuits, and hopefully successful siya because it's our first time din to try this recipe. And ilink ko lang mga recipe down below and mga credits and all. But yeah, without further ado, let's straight on to the video. So yung una namin gagawin is ang dog cake. Yung base na lang yung cake mismo. And the ingredients are
1 egg, 1/4 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup shredded carrot, 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/3 cup honey or water, and 2 pieces banana.
So first thing that we will do is in a large bowl, you need to mix the egg, peanut butter, oil, and vanilla. Isang egg, 1/4 cup, so ano?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter, my gosh. Next is 1/4 cup ng oil, and 1 teaspoon ng vanilla extract. And then just mix it until well combined. And then afterwards, ilagay natin yung 1 cup ng carrots. And then mix nyo lang, guys.
Mix well.
The next is yung flour and baking soda, and it needs to be sifted. And then of course yung honey. You can use water if wala kayong honey, but yeah, if you want honey. Actually, pwede na kayong ito lang, but you can also add other vegetables or fruits, and we've decided to add banana na lang because it's healthy. It's good for dogs. And then mix until it is well combined. Baking pan with parchment paper. So, nilagyan namin ng parchment paper yung baking pan namin to make sure na lalabas yung cake. And also, you can use springform pan para mas easier tagalin. But we don't have any, so we're just using this. And then, distribute evenly lang. You can use malaking baking pan and isa lang. But gusto namin mataas yung cake. So, we're just using a 5-inch baking pan and dalawa yung layers. Diba? Dagan kami iro, diba? And then, you will bake these cakes for 30 to 40 minutes. And pwede pa din nag-time, depende kung luto na siya. Para ma-check, gamitin nyo lang yung toothpick method. Insert nyo yung toothpick sa gitna ng cake. At kung walang lalabas na something like wet glue, okay na siya. So, yeah. And also, 180 degree Celsius yung temperature ng oven. And by the way, for our icing, we're just using a boiled mashed potato. 4 or 5 potato lang. I-boil nyo. And then afterwards, i-mash. And pwede nyo din i-add ng food coloring if you want. And also salt. But I know salt isn't that good for dogs. So yeah, it's your choice. So while the cakes are cooling down, kasi na-bake na sila, like bago lang, we'll start making the dough for the biscuits or dog biscuits. So yeah, the ingredients that you'll need are
2 1/2 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoon honey, 1 cup water, and 1 egg.
So first thing is to mix the peanut butter, egg, and honey in a large bowl.
Mix well.
And then after mixing, my arm hurts.
So it's just, you know,
Yeah, you need to add the flour and baking powder, and you need to sift it.
Then, mix.
So slowly mix the peanut butter mixture, the flour, and obviously medyo dry yan because kulang yung wet ingredient, and ito yung serve. Ito yung purpose ng water. But it shouldn't be poured immediately or directly sa dough kasi. So gradually add lang yung water. Hindi like dapat talaga na 1 cup. Depende talaga sa dough nyo yan. If you think na kulang pa yung 1 cup, you can add more water. Pero kung sa tingin nyo na hindi kailangan 1 cup, like half lang, okay lang. Tansya-tansya lang. So what I'm doing right now is nilalagyan ko ng plastic wrap yung table namin because it's not guaranteed na malinis. So yeah, nilagyan ko na lang ng plastic wrap. So after kneading it for a while, like parang smooth na yung consistency ng dough, like wala ng patchiness and all, it's time to roll it into flat. I'm using my rolling pin, and para hindi siya dumikit like sa dough, mag-add lang kayo ng flour sa rolling pin and pati na din sa dough. Mga 1/4, 1/2 inch, depends. Nasa preference nyo na yan. So after rolling it out, it's time to cut some shapes. It's your decision na kung anong shapes yung gagawin mo. Pwede yung mga dog bones or pwede mismo yung dog nyo i-form mo. But first, okay, may tayo. Commercial break. So, nasa inyo na kung anong gusto nyong shape ng biscuit or cookies. You can actually use also stencils, like mag-print out lang kayo and leave on paper, or then i-transfer nyo sa wax paper. Then, gamitin nyo na lang siyang guide. But yeah, we're just using cookie cutters right now because meron sa amin. Done cutting the cookies and all. As you can see, mga letters lang, and also bone, star, and different shape ng star. So yeah, it's time to put it in the oven for 18 minutes, and yung temperature natin is 180 degrees Celsius. We'll be right back if ito na yung biscuit natin. Hey guys! So, and finally, naluto na yung cake natin. Here it is. So, we're going to decorate it now. Simple lang yung decorations. Ang gagamitin naming icing is just boiled potatoes, and nilagyan namin siya ng food coloring na kaunti lang talaga, and dinala talaga siya ka-vibrant. Also, I added some water, milk, and a little bit of salt para at least may lasa siya para gaganahin yung dogs namin. So yeah, it's time to decorate. So, ang pag-decorate is same lang talaga siya sa cake guys. So first, bigyan natin yung cake sa gitna ng cake board. Hindi ko na siya i-cut, like ila-level kasi medyo flat nga siya and hindi naman siguro siya mag-affect. I hope so. And pinataste ko yung birthday boy sa icing, and buti na lang, I mean, like kinain niya, sledge. And then, second layer. And dapat baliktad din siya para easy lang yung pag-decorate natin sa taas kasi soft yung part nito. Then it's time to ice the cake. Ice it like a normal cake. Dapat talaga yung potato is like properly boiled na soft talaga siya para walang buo-buo. Medyo meron sa amin. Tada! I mean, we're still not done, but tada! So, it's time to decorate this very cute cake. Ang cute niya. So, we have our cookies here. So, yung plano on ano yung decorations sa cake is very easy lang. Maglagay ako ng Kobe. Kasi, well, Kobe yung din ng dog namin. And then, candles, then sprinkles, and then, mag-pipe lang ako ng deco sa corner ng cake. So, it's time to decorate. And then next is lagyan natin ng sprinkles, konti lang because dogs shouldn't be spoiled with sweet stuff because I don't know why, but yeah. And then afterwards, lagyan na natin ng candle, kung char-char lang. And then lagyan ko ng bowl na cookies dito sa harap. So we're done! Here's our final product, guys! It's so cute! Oh yeah, this is our cake.
This is our biscuit.
So, these are safe for dogs. Also, these are safe for humans to eat. But, you know, bland lang yung lasa niya because it is meant for dogs. It has less sugar than compared to other cakes that we eat. So, yeah. So, basically, that's it for our video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope that you will tag me if ever gagawin nyo din ito sa bahay ninyo. And if you want, you can follow us in our social media accounts. I'll put it in the screen or link them in the description box below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more updates and more videos. And see you in my next video.